tracking Miami-Dade, Broward, and the Keys.
I wanted to start off our weather segment talking about what's happening across portions of the middle of the country, where currently they have a rare high risk threat for severe weather, which if you take a look here at the tally, that is level 5 out of 5. This again is rare, only issued 1 or 2, maybe even 3 times a year. And that is it. What makes it rare is that they are anticipating a huge tornado outbreak where long-lived tornadoes are expected later on this evening and into tonight. Large hail and damaging winds, and it is all because of a dynamic storm that has both cold and warm air associated with it. And out ahead of it, you could see the red boxes, current tornado watches, and then you could see the little yellow ones. Those are severe thunderstorm warnings. And remember, warnings are usually issued when they have 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, in addition to large hail as well. Luckily for us, we're dealing with an area of high pressure that's over the Atlantic, what we like to call the Bermuda High, and this is what's not going to allow for this cold front to continue to sag into Florida, which explains why it's been so hot and so humid over the last several days. In fact, this is the most humid weather we've seen since mid-November. It's been a while for us. Well, winds have been blustery all day out of the east-southeast, ranging between 15 and some spots up to 20 miles an hour. And that southerly component of the wind is why it's been so humid. The easterly component of the wind continues to disrupt our marine conditions. So we do have a small craft advisory in addition to an elevated rip current risk. And I believe this is going to stick around through the end of the week. As far as temperatures are concerned, we're in the mid 80s in Miami, 82 Fort Lauderdale, 83 down in the Keys. And as the evening presses on, we're going to keep partly cloudy skies going. The breeze will remain an issue for us, or a component with us. And tonight is going to be warm, 76 degrees, partly cloudy, very warm, breezy, even gusty at times. And notice how we are going to be flirting with an overnight low record of 77. But tonight, we're around 76 degrees. Here's the area of high pressure that I mentioned. This kind of stays anchored over the Atlantic over the next several days, keeping us dry, and any system will remain well to our north and west. We could use the rain. We certainly saw plenty of it over the weekend, and rain chances because of that area of high pressure will remain relatively low over the next 3 days. But there is opportunity for rain, but we have to get through next week. Here's a quick peek at the next 7 days. Warm, but a breezy and a stable air mass is in place. As we head towards the next several days, we'll see those temperatures climb to the mid 80s. By the time we head towards the weekend, which by the way is Miami Beach Pride, we're going to see those numbers begin to climb. By Monday, we're at 88 degrees, hot and humid, and then our next best chance of rain arrives Tuesday.